Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we have an Audi Q5 with a complaint of heavy engine oil leakage from the Tappet. Changed the Tappet oil seal and we have changed the oil seal also. You can have a look at how does a bad oil seal looks like. Come and let's do the fitting. It is very important to number the injectors accordingly the time you open up, because interchanging them will affect the firing order of the engine and the engine will misfire. We have completed the fitting of the car and now we are putting fresh engine oil, and after that let's start the car. We have checked for the leakages thoroughly and there are no signs of leakage in the car. See you in the next video.